Greetings, my lovely viewers. We have a question on the board which says, find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle and look at the shape of a triangle. A triangle is a polygon with 3 sides and 3 angles. So you can see the sides. Look at the sides, 1, 2, and the 3. And triangle also have 3 angles. Here, here, and here. So it's a polygon with 3 sides and 3 angles. And the sum of the interior angle in a triangle is equal to what? 180 degrees. Bear it in mind. It's likely a question you can see in any exam. The sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Now, since we are asked to find the area of this triangle, the formula for the area of a triangle is given as half base times height. What did I say? Half base times height. So we can write it as, so among this option, let's see the correct answer. So area of a triangle is equal to half 1/2 times the base times the height. This is the formula. Half 1/2 times base times the height. Now, which one is the base and which one is the height? If, for instance, this is a shape of a triangle, and what is the name of this type of triangle? It is called right angle triangle. It is called right angle triangle. So the height of this triangle you are looking at is this place. Look at the height. And here is the base. If I place this triangle like this, here is the height. From here to this place is the height. While this is the what? The base. I hope it's clear. So, solving what we have on the board, we have 1/2 times, look at the base of the triangle, which is what? 7 cm. So I'll write 7 times the height. We are given as the height as what? 6 cm. I will divide 2 into itself. 1, 2 into 6 is what? 3. So what I have is remaining is what? 7 times 3. And 7 times 3 will give me what? 21 cm squared. Please remember to put the correct unit. Area will have what? Squared. But if it's perimeter you are looking for, just stop at cm. Perimeter is what? Cm. But area is what? Cm squared. While volume is what? Cm cube. Now, maybe you are asked to find the perimeter of this triangle. Perimeter is just the distance around that shape. So if I'm asked to find the perimeter, I'll just add here, and here. That is the perimeter for you. I believe it's clear.